Hello students, I am Ankej from APS. How are you? I think you are well at home by the grace of God. Today we shall discuss the topic The Fun They Had, written by world famous American author Isaac Asimov. Before starting the topic, I want to ask you something, because we have studied the day before. The topic is related from future school, how the schools of the future will work, because the circumstances and the topic is already related with that matter. So talking about the schools of the future. So firstly, I had already told this story refers to the world of the future where computer will play a major role. By the help of computer, you will try to solve each problems. So according to diagram, we have to express our views after understanding the story, The Fun They Had. Very logical, because 50 years after, how the school will look, you have to think about seriously. And there we provide and we have to think about virtual class, moving e-text, and very interesting point that robotic teacher will teach you, that is the part of machinery, and learning through computers. So these are the major roles of future schools. So some points we have studied, and today we shall discuss from part number 3. So in part number 2, Tommy said to Margie, "What a nonsense talk. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away." कि तुमने किताब को फेंक दिया होगा. I guess this is my guess. But our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. मेरे टेलीविज़न की स्क्रीन पर मिलियन बुक्स आते हैं, जिसमें ज़्यादातर अच्छे होते हैं. बट आई वुडंट थ्रो इट अवे. मैं उसको कभी भी फेंकता नहीं हूँ. दिस वन टोल्ड बाय टॉमी. ऑन द अदर हैंड, मैगी, she was 11 years old and had not seen as many books as Tommy. मतलब टॉमी जितना किताब मैगी ने नहीं देखा। ओके, he was 13, that means Tommy was older than Maggie. Okay, she wanted to know where did you find it, मतलब तुम्हें यह कहाँ से मिला। In my house, he pointed without looking, उसने बिना देखे हुए यह कहा कि मेरे घर में मिला, मेरे घर में था। Because he was busy in reading, in study, in the attic. Attic means a space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. And what is it about? That was the expectation of Maggie. The answer was school. It was told by Tommy. Hearing that words, Maggie was scornful. Maggie became scornful. Scornful means showing you think something is worthless. A school, what's there to write about a school? She wanted to know, or she wants to know, what is there to write about a school? मतलब स्कूल के बारे में क्या लिखा हुआ है। I hate a school. Maggie used to hate the name from the school, because after hearing the word school, she became so sad, she became so nervous. So Maggie is telling it's not good site and good place for me, because she always hated a school, but now she hated it more than ever. लेकिन अब जो वह जो है सो पहले से कहीं ज़्यादा घृणा कर रही है स्कूल वर्ल्ड से। The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. What was the reason behind it? Because the mechanical teacher, that means robot, had been giving her test after test. मतलब test after test means टेस्ट पर टेस्ट। आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में नहीं, यहाँ पर तो टेस्ट पर टेस्ट लिए जा रहे थे। एंड शी हैड बीन डूइंग वर्स एंड वर्स until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. The subject was geography, and she had been doing worse, and she used to think about test because she was doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head. Until means जब तक नहीं, जबकि जब तक उसकी मम्मी ने अपने सर को नहीं हिलाया, मतलब दुख से। एंड सेंट फॉर द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर, और एक मैसेज जो है सो दिया किसको? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को। किसी भी देश के अंदर एक पार्टिकुलर प्लेस में कानूनी तौर पे जो सजेशन मिलता है गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू, that type of person, like the person is related here, the county inspector, because she became fed also. She became so sad to see the circumstances of study about Margie. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. वह एक छोटा सा आदमी था with a red face, जिसके बनावट दिखा फेस का लुकिंग रेड था, and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. एक उसके पास जो बॉक्स थे उसमें टूल्स थे, टूल्स मीन्स मशीन, with dials and wires, और जिसके साथ वायर्स और डायल्स भी थे. He smiled at Margie to see the Margie. He smiled and gave her an apple. और उसने मैगी को एक सेब दिया. Because he wants to show his behave with Margie in good direction, in loving sense, in appreciation, because a lot of talk will have to with Margie. So it's essential how to win the confidence of that girl, because at present she was so nervous. She is not getting good marks, and day by day she is doing worse and worse. That was the main reason, and that was the problem with Margie. So she used to hate from the name of schools. Okay, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. Slot means a given space, time, or position, and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch board. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The great problem was created from the computer, because Margie has no vast idea and no more idea about tools and about computers. This was the main problem, and in next videos we shall try to understand. Today we have studied the part 3 and part 2, and in next class we shall try to understand part number 4, part number 5 and part number 6. So you have to read this text and read this part number 4, number 5 and number 6, and word meaning also you have to study, because it's so important, and according to my points of view you have to learn the word meaning of a particular lesson, the fun they had. Okay, so it's essential. Okay, thanks.